Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, August 24th. Time is around 5:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. It is playing out as forecasted, I would say. For the moment, it looks like we are heading towards this area. We are doing this upward correction, it looks like. So I believe for now I would call for a high here, for this wave one high. So an upward structure that is finished, and that we are now ready for a corrective move down, which is then actually, or could potentially be here, this wave two to the downside. The target area for this wave two is indicated here, but never forget, we can also have a shallow wave two. It is enough if we have like a mature corrective move down, which could be this WXY structure. Now I would go for a WXY structure that might change to an ABC structure. I will talk about this in a minute, but for now I would call for a WXY structure. And the reason I'm calling here for a high is, everything is present. This is a mature structure. We have 5 waves. We have divergence. In the weekly, it looks like we started here this bearish cycle. So here we had an upward cycle. This looks like a bearish cycle we're doing now. So let's see how it plays out. But this would be my primary scenario. And so now I call for a WXY, but this might change depending on what we get today. Like, it could also be an ABC correction we get, but then that would mean that we now really need to start turning, because in order for this to be an ABC, so your wave A has to be an impulse. For now, we only have 3 swings, like A, B, C. That's why I would call for a WXY structure now. But this can also become 5 waves here, or wave one, or wave two. So now please follow the annotations in red. Wave two, wave three, and then here we should have our wave four. But now we are reaching like the limits of this wave four. So with our Fibonacci tool, if we take the length of our wave three, our wave four is supposed to end here at the 0.618 level. And so now we reach this level. So if we see more upside now, I would stick to my primary scenario, which is this WXY structure, and then this area here becomes our target. If we start to turn from here, then it would mean we have to take out this low here, and then we can have an impulse down here, so as wave 5, and then we have a wave A here, and then we can see corrective move up again as a wave B. So this is my primary and secondary scenario. This looks all good. It looks like we are in this upward cycle here now. And then at some moment, so let's continue with my primary scenario. Like, at some moment, this upward move then, or this rally up should fail, and then this should probably happen like in this area here, the area where we can expect our wave X to end, which is between the 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement. So this becomes our target here. Then here the rally should fail, and then we could see more downside as our wave Y. Now, all the indices are a bit in a similar situation, in the sense that much depends here on what happens here. Like if this rally succeeds or fails. Like succeeds would mean that we take out this high here, and then then we are in a different situation. Of course, then then it would mean that, for instance, our wave 5 was not in yet. Excuse me. But that we will see more upside. Um, but yeah, this is not my primary scenario for reasons I explained earlier in this video. I would expect this kind of structure now, WXY, or if we start to turn from here, it becomes an ABC. But so in the higher time frame, I would expect downside now. But of course, how exactly we go down, this is now therefore we now have to look at the lower time frame. What will happen here? So this is what we will do. As I told you, in order for the secondary scenario in red to play out, we have to turn right now, actually. And if we see more upside, the WXY is playing out, I think. So then at some moment we should reach this area and go down from here. So now let's have a look how this exactly could happen. So yesterday I believe the correction here, I was also calling for a WXY, because when I was recording, we were somewhere here, I think. We should be like somewhere here. And then so far we had 3 waves, but I told you this could evolve to 5 waves. And this is what we did shortly after recording. I had to update my count here. I updated my count, and then what we see now, we have 5 waves up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence, so this could be our wave A in the correction up. So correction up has to be in ABC structure or WXY structure, or something more complicated. But that's this is something I do not really consider in my primary scenario. So we have an wave A here to the upside. This looks good. 5 waves up. We end with divergence. So yeah, this impulse is as it should be. So now I was expecting to go to this area here as a wave B. This would have been a nice buying opportunity, but it looks like we did not reach this area. So normally a wave B should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement, but that did not happen. It looks like our wave B was in here, because we already took out excuse me, we took out this high here. So it looks like upward cycle, downward cycle, and now again an upward cycle. And yeah, if we take out this wave A, this actually means that our wave C here can be in. Like from a distribution point of view, it does not make or it does not look good. Normally, we would expect a wave C, which is kind of similar to the wave A, but that does not has to happen. As long as we take out this wave A, we can have a short, like we can have the shorter wave C. So that would mean that this is our wave C, and that our correction can be finished here. However, we cannot make this the primary scenario, or assume that we will always have this short waves C. No, what we should expect is that we go into this area here. If we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then our wave C should go into this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And this also coincides here with the area for our wave X. So once we reach there, like from here, we can expect downside again, or at least a reaction to the downside. And then we have to see if if we go down from here, that would mean that that the rally fails. But if we go up again, it can become a successful rally. That's a bit the case for all the indices right now. But from here, I would expect some reaction to the down, at least a reaction to the downside, and then we have to see if it holds. So then, like I believe we should now go towards this area, unless unless this was our wave C and this was then our wave X. Can be. I will not make it my primary scenario, but this is something that that could happen. But what is or what we should expect is of course another clear 5 waves up like we had here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this area. This would be the textbook impulse, the textbook ABC zigzag correction. So let's see if we get it. I was a bit surprised here that we already took out this high here, because this looked here like the first leg of this wave B correction here, because I see 5 waves in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also end with divergence. So this looked more like an A leg for me, like A, B, C down as a wave B, and then a wave A in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then B up, C down as a wave B, and then our wave C to the upside. But yeah, we already took out this this high here, so yeah, I have to label this in three waves, 1, 2, 3 as a wave B. But at the same time, this makes me always a bit suspicious if we if we do not get the clearest structures, or the structures that I desire. Let's say we also did not reach this this level here, this wave B level. So I do not really like this this wave B here. Okay, so this is what I see for today. This is my analysis. Like if the textbook zigzag ABC plays out, we should expect more upsides. But the trap might be here. We took out our wave A. We only have this short wave, wave C. The correction could be can be enough right here, but you cannot really for me, this is not a reason to initiate like a short here. If I would initiate a short, it would be from this area here, but it might be enough. and we might go down from here. So let's see what we get today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.